I just found a TradingView indicator that gives buy and sell signals based on support and resistance price retests. Check out these recent signals on the Ethereum price chart on the 5-minute time frame. 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio in this trade. A 2% risk per position could have made you 6% profit. This strategy has a high profit factor. This trade was also successful. An immediate sell-off followed a price retracement to the resistance level. Here's another accurate entry that resulted in a winning trade. Imagine if you combined this indicator with other confirmation tools. The win ratio would skyrocket to 80 or even 90%. Stick around till the end of this video, because I will show you my favorite strategy with this support and resistance retest finder indicator. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn everything to start making consistent profits from trading. Let's get started. Before we proceed, if you're tired of losing and looking for proven indicators with a high win ratio, look no further than EasyAlgo. They offer the two most advanced technical analysis tools that will make you a market expert. In addition, they also provide a private Discord community where you can chat, get support, copy other traders' signals, and learn trading skills 10 times faster. Hundreds of traders make consistent profits with EasyAlgo. You can be one of them. Click the first link in the description and secure your spot today. We'll start this tutorial by showing you how to add this technical indicator to the chart, as well as how it works. To install the indicator, simply go to TradingView.com and open the chart. Open the Indicators menu and search for Retest Support Resistance Signals by Chart Prime. Select this one here. The Retest Support Resistance Signals indicator is an effective tool designed to offer guidance in identifying key support and resistance levels within the market. Most importantly and uniquely, it identifies retests of these structures and displays them on the trader's chart. By utilizing a combination of pivot points and price action analysis, this indicator offers valuable insights for both signal-based and support-resistance trading strategies. The indicator waits for a break above a support or resistance level and observes subsequent price action. If price retraces and forms a wick below the level, followed by a bounce, the indicator identifies it as a retest and labels it R to indicate potential support or resistance confirmation. In the indicator settings, you have an option to select a detection method. You can select the wick or the body. Another setting that impacts the accuracy of the signals is the pivot length. For example, if I change these lengths from 20 to 40, the indicator will produce less signals. I recommend keeping the indicator settings default. Let's now look at an example of a trade entry given by this indicator. First off, let's analyze this trend. Here, the market was heavily trending upwards. However, you might notice that momentum has slowed down in this area. This is an area of demand. During this time, new buyers jumped in and pushed the price higher. But what happens when the price breaks below this level, which has become strong support? It becomes new resistance. If a resistance level is strong, the price struggles to break above it. It retests it, but can't break through. This magic indicator gives a sell signal exactly when this happens. However, not all signals given by this indicator are accurate. Some of them could result in loss. That's why we need a filter that would cancel as many fake signals as possible. One of the best ones I found is the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can find it on the left-hand side. Click on it and draw a Fibonacci on the chart. Before using this tool, you'll need to make some adjustments. Double-click on it and uncheck all the levels except these 4. Extend the lines to the right and reduce the background opacity to 0. Now let me teach you how to confirm buy and sell signals with Fibonacci retracement. The method is very simple. All you need is to identify the latest high and low prior to the signal. Traders with more experience can do that without a problem. However, if you're a beginner, you might want to add a higher high lower low indicator by Lonesome the Blue. Access its settings and disable the lines. This tool will help you spot the market's peaks and lows. So, once you've received a signal to sell, here's what you need to do to approve it. Simply draw a Fibonacci retracement from the latest high to the latest low. Your goal is to find out whether the price is not overextended during a pullback to resistance. An overextended price retracement could signal a significant momentum change. This might lead to a trend reversal. In order to stay safe, the most optimal pullback is the one that doesn't exceed the 0.382 Fibonacci level. If the price approaches this level and immediately gets rejected, this is good confirmation that it will continue to move in the same direction. In this case, to the downside. No trade should be taken if the price extends beyond this 0.382 Fibonacci level. In the following example, the market returned to this support level. We pull the Fibonacci tool and draw it from the recent low to the latest high. We can see that during a retracement, the price perfectly bounced off the 0.382 level. The stop loss for a long trade can be placed either below the key level or at the recent swing low. It is recommended to target no less than 2 times the risk. Let's see how this trade plays out. In this example, the price broke below this support level. As soon as a retest occurred, the indicator produced a sell signal. We take the Fibonacci tool and connect the latest peak to the latest low. It is obvious to us that the price did not exceed the 0.382 Fibonacci level during a retracement, which is good. We consider this sell signal valid. Let's see what happens next. Traders, if you're enjoying the content we put out, consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. It means so much to us. If you don't like the Fibonacci retracement, you can use the linear regression channel instead. This indicator was created by Lonesome the Blue. Before utilizing this tool, open its settings and make some minor tweaks. Linear regression channel is a 3-line indicator that aims to predict the future price movement by plotting a channel on the price chart. The way we can combine it with the retest support resistance signals indicator is simple. When looking to buy, the following criteria should be in place. First, the indicator must produce a buy signal. Second, the channel must be green or bullish. Lastly, the price must be below the middle line. Once these conditions are met, open a long trade at the close of the candlestick. By the way, traders, you can automate this trading strategy with PionexGPT. Simply provide the bot with the indicator scripts and ask it to code the strategy for you. Pionex is a cryptocurrency exchange I use. It has 16 built-in trading bots that make me passive income daily. On the PionexGPT marketplace, you can find dozens of robotic trading strategies that produce really good returns on investment. Most of them are free. You can simply copy their signals and grow your portfolio with minimal risk. Pionex offers plenty of deposit bonuses as well. Sign up for it today and thank me later. When looking to go short with this strategy, simply wait for sell signal. Then check the regression channel. It must be red. Finally, make sure the price is closed above the middle line. This is very important. Try this trading strategy on different time frames, but be sure to do a diligent backtesting before trading live. Thanks for watching. Until next time.